Yo, this lockdown thing ain't serious, dude. At least I got something to do. Yeah, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy La Bass. We back again with our next one. Welcome to all the new subscribers. If this is your first time watching me, I'm the Island Boy, La Bass. Today we priming the engine bay for the car, and we bringing the accent to the channel. I don't know how much tries it takes for me to make this intro, but this the one. So, long story short, I do some work off camera, and honestly, I didn't know I could do this. This shit is icy. So I just need to continue going around the firewall. I already scuffed everything over your level. I just need to go over it with, what grid is this? 220? Yeah, I just need to go over it with the 220. Rub it down a little bit. Make sure everything's smooth. Put some primer and everything will be one color. We will start with time lapse. So everything done, scuff, touch up, all them good stuff. I got everything done, even out. I got word for it, blend the paint. Blend it, everything done smooth, flat. I just need to go over it, get all these watermarks off, and then we Gucci. Actually, I'm missing a step. Soapy water. We're gonna spray it on everything. Wipe it down. I wipe it twice. I go wipe it with a rag, and then I'm gonna wipe it with a microfiber to make sure I don't have no lint or nothing on top of the surface. And then we go from there. Alright, so everything done wiped down. Ain't got no dust on it, I think. But obviously it got trees all over the place. So fingers crossed we ain't gonna get no pollen on it, but it's time for the primer. So this is the primer. So this is the primer we're gonna be using today. 2-in-1 filler and sandable. So apparently they say I got body filler in it. Or it seemed like. And it'll fill in like minor dent, like not dents, hear me, but dents. It'll fill in scratches and imperfections basically. So that's what I use over there. That's why over there so smooth compared to over here. Over here have like a bunch of little dimples and dirt and cracks and all of that little stuff in here. And now after it was all across here, and now it's gone. So we're gonna be using this today. peep the vibe. Everything one color now. Yo, this is a big moment, dude. This is a big task, dude. Like taking on. Yes, I saw the little corner over there. I'm gonna touch it up real quick. Matter of fact. There we go. But yeah, everything one color, no more blue. I don't know what color it should be though. What you think? Try it down in the comments. Like, I kind of sold on purple with gold flakes, and then maybe we do the body like the same color as that. But the engine bay I think gonna be like a nice dark purple. It's gonna be hard to find leaks, but whatever. I'm really happy with how it come out though. She look fire. Excuse me. I'm hungry. But yeah. All that's left to do now, I gotta wet sand it. Make sure everything nice, smooth, even. And then we pick a color. If we decide on purple, let me know down in the comments. I need to start shopping for colors and see where I'm gonna find it from. Is it gonna be rattle canned? Yes. Is it gonna look good? Yes. I mean, look at this. Like, I ain't even look at it yet, but you got little dirt and shit dropping on it, but that's on top of the, yeah. So, yeah, be happy with it, man. You see, and then I'm gonna show you in a second, like, all the little stuff, like, right here. All of this is gonna come out with a wet sanding. Yeah, so if I don't know me already, you don't know it's the next day. Or a couple days after, actually. But we'll go ahead and wet sand this here. I'm actually gonna pick up a color today, and I think I'm gonna shoot the headlight bucket, and then we'll see how that look, and then we're gonna judge from there. Actually, I ain't gonna do all of that because I mean I gotta take the paint off, so we're gonna decide on a color today when we go Walmart. Yeah, I painted it in Rust-Oleum. I didn't want to, but I'm home. I bought Jetta down, and I need this up, so we're gonna just pick something from there and deal with whatever else after that. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys get a before and after. Alright, so here's the before, the wet sanding. And I'll show you guys after. Just like that, I out of sandpaper. The sandpaper ain't working no more. Ain't sandpaper no more. It's just paper. But I'm gonna go get it another time. I think I'm gonna cut the video here. I'm happy with how it's coming out. I really need to go pick up paint. I starting to get iffy because it's to the point now where I need to put a color on it, and I don't know what color to put on it. So I'm gonna check out Walmart just now in a little while, but by the time I get back it's gonna be dark and I don't want to shoot nothing in the night, so we're gonna wait for tomorrow. Oh man, it's coming together quick. I should have been doing this a long time ago, but either way, I'm happy, tired, I'm dirty. Thought that was a spider. Don't mind these patches, all of them smooth. Like, I can't, like, my nail doesn't even fall in the cracks anymore. So all of that, they're good all the way around. I need to finish wet sanding this side and the rest of the firewall and down here. But yeah, B, About ready for color now. The next coat that she get will be color. Oh, yo, I got pat myself on the back for that one. It's a big job. This a big job. It's a big boy job. But it ain't done. So if you like the video, if you want to help me get out to more people, hit the like. I shoot them for 50 likes. I don't think that's a whole lot. I think y'all can help me out with that then. So give me 50 likes, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time. Or maybe I'm gonna see you when I done while I'm picking the color. I don't know yet. We're gonna decide, but hold it up. And give me some feedback about if I can understand me in the comments about the accent. I try to keep it this part from it, check. And at some point we're gonna be going back to the VI, so I'm gonna have to hear it. So but either way, I can catch you in the next one. We're putting the color on the car. I'll hold it on. Peace.